Hello and welcome from Alessandro Zamboni and Andreas Quintana. Coupon Books Empire is here to show you an incredible new printables niche where people are buying like crazy. Coupon books are easy to create as you only need one template and a few different words for each one. You only need 3 minutes for one coupon and 20 minutes for a complete printable book. The significant benefit here is that coupons books are missing for a lot of researched keywords, and it's where you can make real money from those short PDF books. It is easy, fast and evergreen, and currently there is little competition. So you don't have to get crazy to update, ship books or sending them to customers. All is automated once you upload your printable file. Don't lose this chance today, as the price will go up very soon for this top training.